This level probe is showing 39%, and as you can see, there is nothing in the tank where it is positioned. So this is a false reading, and as such it needs calibration. So we're going to be using the mapping feature to calibrate this probe so that we get the actual reading. So the first thing you want to do is to unscrew the cover on the front of the probe where you have the display, so that you can get access to the keys with which you would use in navigating your way around. First, you press the enter key, and then use the plus or minus key to scroll to setup, and then press the enter key. Next is to use the plus or minus key to scroll to mapping. Press the enter key to select mapping. Press the enter key again. Then use the plus or minus key to scroll to tank empty. Press the enter key to select tank empty. The calibration will take just a few seconds, and then you will see the distance turning to the full length of the probe. To confirm this length, check the data information on the body of the probe. You would see that the 860 millimeters coincides with the value you have on the screen. The value below the 860 millimeters is the maximum value of the probe, which is automatically calculated by the probe. So if the values you are getting are correct, press the plus button that is underneath the check mark on the screen. Now press the enter key to end the mapping sequence. So with this, your probe has been calibrated. You can use the plus or minus key to scroll through the parameters to be sure that they are okay. To exit the parameter menu, press the plus and minus key at the same time.